So you hear a lot about data connectivity, Industry 4.0, those types of things, connected enterprise. Well, in this day and age, there's a lot of our clients that are still at Industry 3.0. So a lot of that is trying to get that new data up into, it gets at 4.0. But one thing I do see in the future is around things around called robotic process automation. Now this action, which can be done with software, is taking a lot of repetitive actions that may be done by a staff and automating them. And so we have that through our enterprise solutions teams where we can take away some of that repetitive activity, making a person's jobs more enjoyable. Maybe they get reallocated to a new type of job where they're being more satisfied, but a job that can be done by robotic process automation. And then you can take that person, put them into a situation where they're bringing more value to the business.